131-873. The garden clinic is open to take your calls. If you've got a gardening problem, give me a call. See if we can solve it for you. 131-873. Well, it's only a couple of days ago I posted a photograph on my Instagram site of just Joey. It's a glorious thing. Beautiful apricot copper. It's an unusual colour, hard to describe. And it was our last Just Joey for the season. And it really said, I'm going to really go for nuts here. And Joey really put on a fantastic display. And that was it. So that's all for for autumn. So Barbara has a question about it. Good morning.
Good morning, Brian. How are you?
I'm well. Yourself?
Good, thank you. Yes, my Just Joey has been beautiful, but how far can I cut it back? Because I want it to be more compact.
What the fuck?
You know what I mean?
Yes, I know exactly what you mean. And it's interesting, in my life, I've watched the ebb